What if you could get the practicality of an SUV, the comfort of a premium estate, hybrid technology, and rugged off-road capability, all for around one-third the price of luxury rivals? Well, that's exactly what the all-new Dacia Stryker promises. Today, we're taking a detailed look at one of the most exciting value-focused family cars arriving in Europe. From its bold design and hybrid powertrains to its spacious interior, clever practicality, and surprisingly premium features, this could be the estate car that convinces buyers to skip an SUV altogether. Let's dive into everything you need to know. The new Dacia Stryker introduces an entirely fresh design language for the brand. Instead of building another traditional SUV, Dacia has created a vehicle that combines the best qualities of an estate car, a crossover, and a modern fastback. The front end features slim T-shaped LED lighting, while the long bonnet, sharply sculpted body lines, sloping roof, and sporty rear spoiler give the car a dynamic appearance. Despite its sleek profile, this isn't a low-slung estate. The Stryker offers approximately 20 centimeters of ground clearance, making it capable of handling rough roads, gravel tracks, snow, and everyday adventures without worry. The body is protected by rugged plastic cladding made from a special durable material that helps hide scratches from parking lots or light off-road use. Wheel sizes range from 17 inches to 19 inches, depending on the trim level. Overall, the Stryker looks much more premium than previous Dacia models while still staying true to the brand's practical philosophy. Hybrid powertrains. The new Stryker will be available with two different hybrid systems. The first option is the Hybrid 155. It combines a 1.8-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder petrol engine with an electric motor, a starter generator, and a 1.4 kilowatt-hour battery. Power is sent to the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. This version produces around 153 horsepower. Acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour is expected to take around 9 seconds. Fuel economy is especially impressive, reaching approximately 60 miles per gallon, while carbon dioxide emissions remain below 100 grams per kilometer. According to Dacia, the vehicle can spend up to 80% of city driving using electric assistance. For buyers needing additional capability, there is the Hybrid 154x4. This version uses a 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine combined with a 48-volt hybrid system. An additional electric motor powers the rear wheels, creating an intelligent all-wheel drive setup. The system delivers approximately 148 horsepower. 0 to 62 miles per hour takes around 10 seconds. Special driving modes for snow, mud, sand, and dedicated off-road driving make this version ideal for adventurous families. Interior. Step inside and you'll immediately notice that Dacia has taken a big leap forward. The dashboard design is modern, clean, and focused on usability rather than unnecessary complexity. Interesting materials such as denim-style upholstery and durable soft-touch fabrics help give the cabin a unique personality. Many interior components use recycled materials, showing the company's focus on sustainability. Although hard plastics are still present, the cabin feels practical, durable, and ready for family life. Higher trim levels even include a large panoramic glass roof that fills the cabin with natural light and creates a much more spacious atmosphere. Dacia also worked to reduce road and wind noise by using thicker glass and improved mirror designs for a quieter driving experience. Technology. Technology has also received a major upgrade. Every Dacia Stryker comes with a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included as standard. Drivers also receive either a 7-inch or 10-inch digital instrument display depending on the trim level. One interesting feature is the display's holographic visual effect, making important driving information appear clearer and more modern. Physical buttons remain for climate controls, making everyday operations simple and distraction-free. The center console also offers generous storage compartments for daily essentials. Space and practicality. One of the biggest strengths of the Stryker is practicality. The vehicle measures approximately 4.62 meters in length, making it the largest Dacia ever produced. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and sufficient headroom, even for taller adults. Families will appreciate the two ISOFIX child seat mounting points in the rear. The boot is where the Stryker truly shines. With all seats in place, cargo capacity reaches approximately 600 liters. Fold the rear seats flat, and available space expands to around 1,600 liters. The luggage area also features a clever multi-position floor that can divide cargo, create a flat loading surface, or reveal a wipe-clean section for dirty equipment. Additional thoughtful touches include an integrated ice scraper hidden inside the driver's door and multiple accessory mounting points throughout the cabin for hooks, cup holders, and other useful accessories. Dacia will also offer optional accessories including a roof box, pet bed, and family travel equipment. Safety features. Safety equipment is comprehensive. Every model includes automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, traffic sign recognition, speed limit warning, and driver attention monitoring. Optional packages add blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a surround view camera system for even greater confidence while driving. Perhaps the most impressive part of the new Stryker is its pricing. In the United Kingdom, prices are expected to start below £25,000. That makes it significantly cheaper than many hybrid SUVs, while still offering generous equipment and modern hybrid technology. Buyers will be able to choose from 4 trim levels. The essential model includes steel wheels, roof bars, a touchscreen infotainment system, manual air conditioning, and a rear-view camera. Expression adds alloy wheels, dual-zone climate control, extra USB ports, and additional comfort features. Extreme Trim introduces larger alloy wheels, panoramic sunroof, premium audio system, built-in navigation, and hill descent control. At the top sits the Journey Trim, featuring wireless smartphone charging, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Final verdict: the Dacia Stryker proves that family cars don't have to be expensive to be impressive. It combines SUV-style toughness, estate car practicality, efficient hybrid technology, modern safety systems, and surprisingly premium features into one affordable package. For buyers looking for maximum value without sacrificing everyday usability, this could become one of the most important new family cars arriving in Europe. Whether it succeeds globally remains to be seen, but it certainly challenges the idea that you need an expensive SUV to enjoy space, technology, and adventure. So, would you choose the new Dacia Stryker over a traditional SUV? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you never miss the latest global automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.